This video tutorial will show you how to complete your profile. Click the down arrow next to the gray profile picture. Then click the gray profile button. Now you are at the profile page. Click the gray Add button under the Bio section to enter in your bio. You can make your bio short and sweet, or you can provide greater details about yourself. So for this demonstration, I'll keep my bio short and sweet. After you finish entering your bio, you can click the orange Save button. After that, you can edit the education, job history, professional associations, and honors and awards sections in the same manner. You can click the gray Add button to add any social media links. If you would like to make any edits to the contact details, you can do so by clicking the gray pencil. You can make your edits here on this page. After you finish making your contact detail edits, click the gray Save button. Now I'm going to upload a photo. I will upload a photo by clicking the gray Actions button. Then click Change Picture. So the system allows you to upload your photo from various sources. So for this demonstration, I'll just use a USB. So I'll click the Select Files to upload. And then I'll click the profile picture that I've previously saved. I'll make any edits here, and then I'll click the Save button. After that, I'll click this blue Upload button. And that is how to complete your profile.